Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Themekit Widget v2 is a lightweight front-end widget framework for sites and dashboards. It bundles a CLI, live reload, and build pipeline for fast iteration. You will need Node 14 or newer and an API key for your account. Open port 8080 locally so the preview server can run without conflicts. Install the CLI globally using npm install gthemekit at 2 on Mac OS, Linux, or Windows. Make sure your shell can run the Themekit command after installation. Create a new widget project with Themekit in it and choose the starter template that matches your needs. Change into the project folder and open theme. Config JSON to add your API key for connection. Never commit your API key to public repositories or share it in chat. Run Themekit dev to start a local preview on http://localhost 8080 with live reload enabled by default. Use the browser preview to test interactions and layout across responsive sizes. Stop the server with Control-C when you finish local testing. Edit widget, IML and main, JS to customize behavior, styles, and static assets before building. Use consistent naming for events and properties so integration scripts remain predictable. Build optimized assets with Themekit build, which outputs files to the /dist folder and minifies CSS and JS. Test the built bundle locally with a simple static server before deploying to production. Deploy using Themekit deploy env production to push the bundle to your environment. If needed, revert changes quickly with Themekit rollback to restore the last stable version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.